There's not a place on earth these beautiful eyes haven't seen. From the South Pole looking up to the North Star, from where East meets Westfield under London's grey skies. I stand before you not just as another customer, but as the former shadow of my worldly adventures as Mrs. International. I know what you're thinking. And yes, you could say I am the Mrs. International. Croatian carpenter, veteran of Venice, heroine of Haiti. But I've seen the injuries, the tears of Mother Nature, the blisters on her coastlines, the blood of her earth being sucked from her dusty flesh for such small gain. I alone have felt the winds of her screams on the mountain tops. Felt the tremble of her nerves, her worries and her fears. And with that said, I, Miranda Felstead, believe that I should get this cab ride for free.